Mukhang kahit papano ay nabigyan na ng hustisya itong si Gerald Santos matapos nga na hindi dinggin ang kanyang naging panawagan noong 15 years old kung saan ay hinaras siya di umano ng isang musical director na mataas din sa GMA. Ayon naman sa balita, natanggal iyon pero hindi din pinalampas ng network itong si Gerald Santos na magkaroon pa ng project dahil nung panahon daw na yon, unti-unting tumamblay ang nasabi nga pong career nito hanggang sa nawala na. At nagsalita na nga ang manager ni Gerald Santos hinggil dito matapos magtanong ang netizen. Pero bago pa yan, narito ang statement ni Gerald. Ani Gerald, ang daming nagme-message, nagtatag sa akin about this issue. Nagbalik ang sakit sa akin at hindi ko maiwasang maluha to imagine ang sinapit niya. My heart goes to Sandro and the whole Mulak family. I was once in this situation back then. Wala akong boses, walang social media, unlike ngayon na nagkaroon na ng #MeToo movement. But I will hold my head up high for standing up amidst tremendous pressure to just let go of what happened. I hope he gets the justice I was once denied of. Yan nga ang ininsist ng netizen na nagtanong na paanong injustice natanggal naman daw yung gumawa nito kay Gerald. Narito ang naging say ng netizen. Naguluhan lang sa sinabi mong na-denied ka ng justice noon. Hindi ba't kumilos ang GMA? Pinagsabihan ka ba nila na manahimik ka lang? If I remember, natanggal yung blank sa GMA dati dahil sa reklamo mo, right? And after noon, hindi na siya nakabalik sa GMA. Nag-file ka din ba ng criminal case kay Blanc? Can you explain lang? What you mean? So I hope he gets the justice I was once denied of. Explanasyon ng manager ni Gerald Santos. There was no clear, concrete resolution of his case until now. Naalis yung isa, yes, but while still in the network, Gerald was treated as an outcast for bringing up his case to the top-level management. He was given very few works after that until wala na talagang work na binigay. We were trying to forge a compromise with them but he was released instead. Until now, I virtually banned si Gerald from appearing sa mga entertainment show ng network. May justice ba? By the way, I'm his manager. We had to go through the lonely battles with a giant network. Say pa nitong si Romel Ramillo, ang nasabing manager ni Gerald Santos. Please note that the harassment happened when Gerald was still a minor, 15 years old to be exact. Well, ano kaya ang masasabi ng mga boss ng GMA dito? For sure ay alam nila ang nangyari kay Gerald. Yan ang ating showbiz top update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.